How to replace windshield wipers in 4 simple steps when it rains. Do you have problems seeing out your windshield, even when the wipers are running? Maintaining your car's windshield wipers is one of the easiest and most commonly disregarded routine maintenance tasks. Now might be an excellent time to learn how to change windshield wipers on your own if your wipers are starting to look a little sad, creating streaks on your windshield, or making driving in the rain feel like a life or death event. So, let's learn how to replace windshield wipers. Choose the correct wipers for your vehicle. Identifying the type of wiper you are currently using is the first step in replacing your windshield wipers. You must be aware of 2 things in order to complete this task: the type of wiper attachment that your car utilizes and the size of the wipers you require. The vast majority of vehicles on the road use one of the 3 conventional wiper attachments: hook mount, clip-on, or pin mount. We'll provide a more practical guide on how to change the 3 of them individually. That's fantastic news because it implies that blades that match your automobile should be available at any major auto parts retailer. Additionally, they ought to be able to seek out the appropriate size and type of wiper for you in store, which eliminates a lot of the guesswork and measuring. You may check up and determine your wiper type on your own if you want to take the fully DIY route, though. The simplest way to do this is to simply consult your owner's manual, but if you don't have access to one at the moment, you can simply go outside and take off the blades that are already on your automobile to make the necessary inquiries. Shield your windshield. The next thing you should do is place something between the wiper and the windshield in order to hide the glass beneath while you are working. Grab your windshield wiper arm and lift it a few inches away from the glass to accomplish this. In order to protect the windshield itself, slide something supple between the wiper and the glass at this point, paying attention to where the wiper arm's end rests on the windshield. Any ordinary folded t-shirt, microfiber towel, or piece of cardboard will do as long as it prevents the wiper arm from scratching the glass below. There's no need to go fancy. Take out your old wipers for the windshield. It's time to get down to business now that you've secured your windshield. Start by lifting up your wiper arms around 90 degrees until the spring-loaded mechanism at the bottom locks the arm out, pointing up in the air. Then, remove your old wiper blades. The next step of the process is dependent on the kind of blade attachment your vehicle has, but they are all quite simple to use. If your attachment is a J-hook design, all you have to do to get it off the hook is press the blade itself down toward the base of the arm. If you have one of the other popular systems, you will normally want to push in 1 or 2 tabs on the sides of the blade before swiping the wiper out while the tabs are depressed. If you're unsure, check your owner's manual. It shouldn't require a lot of force. Once you've taken off your old wipers, check to see if they are the same length and attachment type as your new wipers. If you choose the above-mentioned do-it-yourself route, this will provide you with all the information you need to acquire the right replacement blade for your car in terms of size and style. Put your new windshield wipers in place. The hard part is over once you've removed your old blades, in all honesty. It only takes a few seconds to clip new windshield wiper blades into place, which always works in the opposite direction from how you removed your previous blades. Once you've had your new blades securely fastened in place, remove any protective covering you may have put on your windshield earlier. Then, start your car and test out your new blades by flipping them on the slowest setting. Your work is complete if they move along your windshield safely and easily. There are certain replacement blades that offer a one-blade-fits-all solution regardless of the attachment mechanism your existing blades employ because they include several attachment brackets in the package. Before trying to fit them to your wiper arms, make sure to install the same attachment type as the prior blade. If you don't, you'll make the job much more difficult than it needs to be. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.